All right, everyone, here we go. I am going to be working on the adding and subtracting three-digit numbers with regrouping. Directions: add or subtract, match each person to the correct apple. Color the apple that doesn't have a match green. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by adding or subtracting the apples on the side over here. So let's look at our first one. 146 plus 578. So we're going to add 6 plus 8 equals 14. I write my 4 down here. I carry my 1 so that it's just over top of the 4 in the tens place. Now I add 1 plus 4 plus 7, and that is 12. 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. So I write my 2 down here, and I'm going to put my 1 up top, okay? And now I add my hundreds column, 1 plus 1 plus 5, so 5, 6, 7. And I'm just going to leave that for now, and I'm going to keep moving on. So I'm going to come over here now to apple B. Again, 6 plus 8, we already said was 14. Carry my 1 over there into the tens. And now I add 7 plus 7 plus 1. So 7 plus 7 is 14. Plus 1 more is 15. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And here we have apple C. 459 plus 137. Here we have 9 plus 7 equals 16. And 5 plus 3 plus 1 is 9. And 4 plus 1 is 5. And let's go to apple D. Again, 297 plus 386. 7 plus 6 is 13. 9 plus 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 9 equals 18. And 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's add, go to apple F yet. And here we have 8 plus 5, and that equals 13. 6 plus 3 plus 1, so 7 plus 3 is 10. And 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. And here's another apple adder, an adder apple. And here we have 4 plus 9 equals 13. Write my 3 below it. My 1 goes in the tens. 1 plus 5 plus 3, so 6 plus 3 is 9. And 3 plus 3 is 6. All right. Now the other ones all have minus signs or subtraction signs. So we're going to go over there now. And I see 1 minus 3. Oh, there's more on the floor, so we have to borrow from next door. So I'm going to cross out the 4, put a 3 on top. And 11 minus 3 is 8. 3 minus 0 is 3. And 8 minus 5 is also 3. And let's jump down here to H. 1 minus 4. Again, there's more on the floor, meaning 4. Here's our floor. So there's more on the floor we have to borrow from next door. So I'm going to cross out my 6 and write a 5. And the other one of those goes over here as a 10. So it's 11 minus 4. Hey, we said 11 minus 3 is 8. Well, 11 minus 4 must be 7. 5 minus 1. More on top. No need to stop. 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. And a few more here. More on the floor. Got to borrow from next door. 10 minus 6 is 4. 3 minus 5. Oh, more on the floor. We got to borrow from next door. 13 minus 5 is 8. And 6 minus 3 is 3. All right, 2 more. 0 minus 5. More on the floor. Got to borrow from next door. Cross out my 3. Make a 2. 10 minus 5 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. And here we have 833 minus 217. More on the floor. We got to borrow from next door. Okay, 13 minus 7 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, so now let's go through and let's look over here at number 1. It says my apple has a 4, 8, and a 3. All right, so a 4, 8, and a 3. Hey, there's a 4 and an 8 and a 3. Okay, And the 8 is in the tens place. That is the tens place. So this is apple letter I. My apple has a 3, a 5, and a 3. 3, 5, and 3, 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3. Oh, 3, 5, and a 0. I'm sorry. I'm like, I don't see it. 5, a 0, and a 3. A 3, a 5, and a 0. Not a 3, Mr. Monty. All right. So that is, let's see. The 3 is in the ones place. Yes, it is. That is letter F. All right. My apple has a 5, and a 1. Hey, there's a 5, a 5, and a 1. A 5 is in the hundreds place. Yes, it is. Right there. That's apple J. A 5, a 9, and a 9. No. Oh, I almost did it again, you guys. That almost would have been twice. A 5, a 9, and a 6, Mr. Monty. And there's a 5, a 9, and a 6. 9 is in the tens place. Yes, it is. That's apple C. My apple has a 3, 8, and a 3. 3, and an 8, and a 3. All right, there we go. 8 is in the ones place. That is apple E. My apple has a 9, a 3, and a 6. A 9, a 3, and a 6. There's a 6, a 9, and a 3. 9, a 3, and a 6. The 6 is in the hundreds place. Yep, that's apple G. Whoop, whoop. My apple has a 7, a 4, and a 2. Oh, that's our first one, apple A. 7, a 4, and a 2. The 2 is in the tens place. That is apple A. Yeah. My apple has a 6, and a 1. Way down here, apple K. 6, and a 1, and a 6. And a 6 is in the ones place. That is apple K. We've used that one too. My apple has a 3 and an 8 and a 6. 3 and an 8 and 6. 3 and an 8 and 6. Apple D. 6 is in the hundreds place. Yes, it is. Apple D. My apple has a 4, a 5, and an 8. 4, a 5, and 8. Here's a 4, a 5, and an 8. The 5 is in the tens place. Yes, it is. And that is apple B. Boy. All right. So, what apple didn't I use? We used I. Guess what? A 2, a 4, and a 7. We didn't use it. Right here. H. That's a green apple. All right, there you go, boys and girls. That is how to add and subtract our 3-digit numbers with regrouping on our fun little apple page. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you found it helpful. Until next time.